In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PayPal payment button to your GoDaddy website. This handy feature will enable smooth transactions on your site, making it easier for customers to make purchases or payments directly. Let's get started with a step-by-step journey to integrating this feature into your website efficiently. First, you'll need to sign into your Google Tag Manager account to find your container ID. This is an integral initial step, ensuring you have all the correct tracking in place, and is crucial if you're handling multiple sites or projects. Once you have that sorted, open your web browser and search for GoDaddy. Upon landing on their homepage, click the option to log into your account. Now that you're in, head to your product page. As you navigate through, look for the Websites Plus Marketing section. Here, you'll find an option labeled Manage. Click on Manage to access your dashboard. It's here in the dashboard that you'll expand the store option, or, if you handle appointments through your site, the Appointments section. Now, let's head over to the Settings tab, which will allow you to control various elements of your site's functionality. When you're in the website builder, look for the Settings option once again. Under this tab, you'll find Payment Methods. Selecting payment methods will present you with a variety of options. Among these, you should locate PayPal. Go ahead and select Connect to begin the linking process. You'll be prompted to follow instructions to log into your PayPal account, seamlessly connecting your PayPal with your GoDaddy site. After setting things up on PayPal's side, go back to your GoDaddy dashboard. Seek out the option to Edit Website or Edit Site, which opens up the website builder once more. Navigate to the specific page or section of your site where you want your PayPal button to appear. This step is crucial, as it determines where on your site visitors will interact with the payment feature. The following task is to add a new section to your selected page. This new section will be used to place the PayPal button element. Using the search function, locate the PayPal button, select it, and decide on the layout that best fits your website's aesthetics and functionality. Click Add to place the button onto your site. Once you have added the PayPal button, you're not finished just yet. Next comes customization. Tailor the button's appearance by modifying its layout, color, and size, ensuring it fits seamlessly with your site's design. When you're happy with how everything looks and functions, save your changes. The final step involves publishing your site, making the PayPal payment button live and accessible for your customers to use. With your PayPal button now visibly active, you've enhanced your customer's experience by providing a straightforward, reliable payment option. Now sit back and let your site do the work for you.